Hello YouTube, welcome to Math Fee Quest 45. Let us take up this question related to solving quadratic equations or concepts related to quadratic equations. Given equation 76x square plus 76p plus q into x plus pq equals 0. In the given equation, p and q are positive constants and the product of the solutions. What do you mean by solutions? Solutions of a quadratic equation are also the roots of the quadratic equation. Are the roots of the quadratic equation. They are also referred as zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Right? They are also referred as zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Now, the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, say p of x, would be ax square plus bx plus c. We know the relation related to the sum of roots and the product of roots. There is a relationship between the zeros and coefficients, or in other words, the roots and the coefficients. Now, what are the coefficients here? The coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is b, and the constant is c. Let alpha and beta are the solutions. Let alpha and beta are the solutions of the polynomial p of x. Then what would be sum of the roots or sum of the zeros? It is given by minus b by a, and the product of the zeros would be c by a. C by a would give me the product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is given by negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Let's go back to the quadratic equation given in the question. 76x square plus 76p plus q into x plus pq equals 0. Let us compare it with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Now, it's clear that a corresponds to 76, b corresponds to 76p plus q, and c corresponds to pq. Right? Now, they have asked us to find k, and they have clearly mentioned the product of the solutions is kpq. What do you mean product? Let us take alpha and beta as the solutions or roots. The product is alpha into beta, that is c by a. And we know the product is given, that is k, p, q. That is equal to, what is c? C is pq divided by, what is a? That is 76. I can take the pq to the denominator in the right side. So that becomes pq divided by pq into 76. pq gets cancelled. I'm left with 1 by 76. The value of the unknown k for this problem is 1 divided by 76. I hope you have all understood the concept as well as the question. For more such content, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.